Today on the workbench, I've got myself a Dell Inspiron 13 5000 series. This one has a 13.3 inch touchscreen, and today I'm going to remove it. So I'll get my camera into position first of all, and I'm going to use my black plastic pry tool. So I've started it up in the top corner, which if I was to redo this, I'd probably more begin down the lower section and work my way up, or at least from the bottom hinges upwards. So what I've been able to do there is get the connectors loose enough to be able to release the screen. The various LCD connectors are at the bottom of the screen, so when you do get it to rise up, don't just yank it out. So right now I'm able to get my fingers behind the panel, and I'm able to lift it from the top forward. And as you can see, there's the 40-pin connector for this particular model. This one has a 40-pin connector, and it's a 1080 resolution screen. So I will be going down the path of replacing this one, but at the moment I'm just opening it up to get the model numbers off it. And the reverse of this is relatively straightforward too. Start up the very top and then work your way down. So put the top section in first, work your way down the sides, and you should be able to fully clip it in relatively easily from there. And just a quick video of the bottom section of it. Hopefully capture the model number in the footage here. But anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.